Welcome to a water view tower room in the Grand Destino Tower at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. Coronado Springs Resort is a moderate level Disney resort, moderate meaning mid-level. Disney has three categories of resorts. They have value, moderate, and deluxe. The deluxe resorts tend to be the higher end resorts. They usually come with a higher price tag and they have more amenities. The reason I'm bringing that up when we're talking about Coronado Springs Grand Destino Tower is my immediate impression of this room is that this feels much more like a deluxe accommodations resort than it does a moderate, but it has a much lower price. We're going to look around this room. We've got two queen-size beds, which are really nice. The theming is very beautiful. It's very subtle, classic look. I love that mirror over there. And then if you look here, the beds are raised up so you can fit luggage underneath them, which is great. And all of the floors are hard surfaces, which are really nice. I think that gives you a much cleaner feel. I just want to walk over to the window so we can take a look at this fabulous view of the resort. This is a water view room in the tower. Now, Coronado Springs, I'm going to point off there in the distance here, has other adjacent buildings. These are going to be the standard type moderate resort rooms, but because they share this resort, they're going to get all the amenities that go in this tower, which includes several restaurants and a fitness center, which is something you don't normally find at a moderate resort. The room is spacious and everything is brand new. This just opened this year. The smart TV is great. When we came in, you can sync your device with it, and because it's my daughter's birthday, there was actually a birthday welcome message for her on there. Had her last name, so that's why that's not in the picture. But you have all your resort information available on the TV. You can sync your phone with it, so if you want to cast stuff to the television, you can also do that. It's a nice sitting area here. And there is a fair amount of storage here. So you're going to see that this dresser has several drawers. And this is also a conference hotel. So there's a nice desk space that they've provided here, along with lamp utility. The lamps all have USB and outlets in them, which is really helpful for charging all your devices. We have our coffee service here. This is a Keurig, which is really nice. I like the Keurig. Water cups, ice bucket, and I think down here is going to be our refrigerator. Let's check. That is our refrigerator. So one tip with these, when you come into your room, you want to make sure that they're actually on, that they're actually cold, and that they're set in a cold setting, because sometimes they are turned down and you don't want to put stuff in there and have it get warm when you expect it to be cold. We have a recycling center here for paper and metal and glass, which is really nice. A nice bench to store luggage under and to sit down on when you're changing your shoes. Then we have this huge wardrobe. Extra pillows and blankets up top. Oh, look at that. It's lit when you open it up. That's really cool. And our ironing board is in here, along with our iron at the bottom and our luggage rack. And we've got our standard resort safe there. That's actually a pretty nice sized one. Oh, you could fit a whole computer in there. This is actually much bigger than the safes I usually see in hotel rooms. You could fit a lot of stuff in there. Again, because this is a conference resort, I think they might be accommodating the need to store computers and that type of thing because they get a lot of business guests here. And then you have to see this bathroom. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the tile work in here. The floors are nice. It's got the sliding door that comes across here, so you can cover it on the outside. And then in the shower, don't mind me in the mirror there. Look at this shower. That just looks really, really nice. A little elegant, really well designed. You've got the dual shower heads with the rainforest shower head and the handheld one. And we have, as is common now in all Disney resorts, the bath products on the walls, but all your bath products are there. That's just a greener way to provide them to guests. just want to get the details of this. We got some bath products out here as well. A vanity kit, lotion, mouthwash, shower cap, which is not something you see at all the resorts actually. And then we actually have our facilities in a separate room with a separate sliding door, which allows people to use that while somebody else is getting ready in here, brushing their teeth and the whatnot. All in all, this is a very, very nice room. I think we're going to enjoy staying here. And if you're looking to give a moderate resort a try, this is a little bit more expensive than staying in the standard moderate rooms. However, you really get a lot more of a deluxe feel here. From the time you arrive at the resort, there's valet service at the front entrance, there's concierge service in the hotel lobby. So this is really a really good choice. And if you like club level, this is the only moderate resort that has club level services as well.